Strategy and planning. Strategy, vision, objective, goal, initiative, framework, roadmap, approach, alignment, direction. Management and leadership. Lead, direct, supervise, coordinate, delegate, oversee, facilitate, guide, empower, motivate. Operations and execution. Implement, execute, operate, deliver, deploy, integrate, optimize, maintain, monitor, streamline. Problem solving. Resolve, address, analyze, evaluate, assess, investigate, diagnose, mitigate, improve, enhance. Communication. Inform, notify, clarify, highlight, emphasize, present, communicate, convey, report, announce. Collaboration. Collaborate, partner, engage, support, coordinate, contribute, align, facilitate, network, cooperate. Finance and business. Revenue, profit, investment, capital, budget, margin, cost, return, funding, assets. Performance and results. Achieve, deliver, perform, succeed, advance, progress, accomplish, attain, exceed, generate. Innovation and development. Innovate, develop, create, design, launch, introduce, transform, upgrade, expand, scale. Professional action verbs. Identify, consider, propose, recommend, approve, authorize, request, submit, confirm, conclude. Decision-making. Decide, determine, approve, authorize, prioritize, select, validate, endorse, sanction, finalize. Risk and compliance. Risk, compliance, regulation, policy, control, safeguard, protect, monitor, prevent, secure. Negotiation and agreements. Negotiate, contract, agreement, terms, settlement, partnership, commitment, obligation, proposal, offer. Marketing and sales. Market, brand, campaign, customer, client, promote, advertise, target, convert, retain. Data and analysis. Data, metrics, insights, analytics, benchmark, forecast, trend, indicator, measurement, performance. Time and productivity. Deadline, schedule, timeline, efficiency, productivity, prioritize, allocate, organize, complete, deliver.